Remove the plastic covers on both sides. The covers are clipped. Loosen the 2 screws to remove the plastic cover. Loosen these 3 screws to remove the instrument cluster. Tilt the instrument cluster forward. Disconnect the white plug and insert the supplied kilometer blocker between the white plug and the instrument cluster. To activate the blocker, press and hold the cancel button for 10 seconds. To change the mode, press the cancel button again for 10 seconds. In mode 1, the kilometers are stopped at 100%. In mode 2, the kilometers are counted again and everything is in its original state.